Hi everybody, thank you for joining us. This is going to be part 2 of our PF Motor video. As you guys remember, on our last video we went ahead, we took off all the covers, we sprayed the bellows or the accordion cover with alcohol, and we compressed it towards the back of the machine. And we're still getting the PF motor error after turning the machine back on with the covers off. We're going to go again to the back and we're going to remove those panels to see if that bellows or accordion cover needs to get replaced. To do that, you're going to need a small screwdriver, and let's go towards the back of it. Okay, so here in the back we're going to have these two covers. What we're going to do, you got one screw, two screws, and then two towards the front of the machine. So we're going to start with these back screws. We're going to go ahead and just take those out. So we should have four, two on the left and two on the right, and then two more towards the front of the machine. Okay, while we're doing this, guys, I want to remind you that if you do have any issues with the machine and you're on the warranty, please call Ricoh Tech Support. Start a case with them. You don't want to be taking parts of the machine or tinkering with it and possibly void any kind of warranties. Okay, so make sure you guys call Ricoh Tech Support. I'll leave their contact information in the description below for you guys. Okay, so we got those four out. Once again, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go towards the front of the machine and get those other two out. We're going to go ahead and pull this table all the way to the front. And you're going to have two more screws. One here on the right, one on the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to get these screws out as well. That's 1 and 2. Here's another one. One and okay, 1 and 2. All right. So let's go again towards the back of the machine, and we're gonna slide these covers out. So you're gonna get these covers, you're gonna pull them towards the inside of the machine and then out towards the back. As you can see here, they're sitting on these little flaps right there. So you wanna make sure we slide these towards the inside of the machine and then out. That's gonna give us a better idea if our bellows or accordion cover has any damage to it. We can go ahead and move it. We can also have somebody push the table in for us so we can see how it's compressing and if it's getting jammed up anywhere. As you can see, mine is compressing nice and smooth. If you start seeing it bunch up like that, like pop out, or it's bunching up right here, crunching up, then this part will most likely need to get replaced. At this point, you can even go ahead and lift it up and you can check the guide bearings here or the guide rails and check if they're dirty. If they're dirty, once again, you want to clean this up, put a little bit of the Ricoh G1 grease on them so that way everything glides nice and smooth. Yeah, make sure this goes back into place. All right. Okay, guys. Now, in case this cover does need to get replaced, you want to go ahead and contact Ricoh. Start a case with them, have them help you remove this, because we do have to remove two screws here, and we will need to remove the Z-axis or the Y-axis, which would be this whole table assembly right here. So all this needs to get removed so we can get to the bottom screws here. If we do get to that point, make sure you call Ricoh Tech Support, and we'll post a video, guys. That's going to be part 3 of this PF motor error, checking the rear bellows. We'll get that posted up for you guys. Thank you and have a good day.